All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at UAD's Anthem Analog Synthesizer. Just going over a few of the sounds we got in this thing, some of the quick features. Just a quick video today, and stick around to the end because they do have a free synth I want to tell you about as well that you can still get. Also, if you head over to Plugin Boutique, they always offer a free plugin every month. So if you check it out there, I have the link down in the description below. If you purchase this, you also get the free Pulse. It is this month. It'll change by next month, so who knows? It might be different by the time you're watching this. All right, so this is the Anthem Analog Synthesizer. We got our presets over here. We could scroll through, or we could go through here. We got genres. We could go by type, by description. We could go by chillwave if you want, funk, and go, just a tagging system to find some cool stuff really quickly. Oscillators 1 and 2. Some fine details here. Some mixer, noise. We got our filter over here. We got a nice little sequencer here that we'll go through in a second here. Filter envelope, amp envelope, UFO, voicing, some space effects, chorus, modulation, and so on and so forth. I really like the simplicity of this. Everything's just laid out really quickly. It's not like overcomplicated or anything. And I guess they got a MIDI learner over here as well for electric controllers and stuff like that. But anyways, let's just check out some sounds and see what this thing sounds like, and let me know what you think. Let's go. Some presets here. Interesting. So we can search by different parts as well, or different patches, bells. Best of. Some plucky sounds. So, all right, so some really cool sounds you get from this thing here. Very simple layout. Sometimes I buy synths and there's just so much going on. I like to have the simplicity of it all. Everything's just kind of laid out here, and you could really quickly do some manipulation of your sounds. You got your really cool presets going on. They still have their free synth you can get, the Poly Synth. It's on, you can buy, there'll be links down below. I believe that runs to the end of June 2025. So if you're, but watching after that, check the links anyways. Sometimes there's different deals going on. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Just a quick video today going over some sounds. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.